everyone, welcome back to my channel KF Gardening. Viewers, in this video we will talk about how to grow tomato plant and how to care for it, sunlight requirements, watering, how to prune tomato plant, fertilizer, leaf curling problem and its solution, and some care tips. By following these tips, you can increase the production of tomatoes on your tomato plant. So don't skip the video, watch full video till end. Tomatoes are one of the most popular vegetable to grow in home garden. But if you have been growing tomato plants and not getting a lot of tomatoes, you might be started to feel frustrated. Now I will tell you that how can you grow tomato plant at your home. Loosen the soil first and then take some slices of tomatoes. You can also use seeds of tomatoes. You can purchase seeds of tomatoes from seed shop. Now place these slices on the soil and then cover it with the soil. You can sow the seeds in Feb-March. Planting in right condition and caring for tomato plant in right way, you can get maximum fruiting. Now water it thoroughly. It's very easy to grow and care. Try all these tips for increase tomatoes on your tomato plant. After 15 days, you can see the result. Our seedlings have come out looking very healthy seedlings. Now we will separate these seedlings and then we will transplant these seedlings one by one. First thing is soil. Soil should be well drained and rich in nutrients. You can take 50% compost and 50% garden soil. Take a seedling and then transplant it in this way. I am doing work with my one hand and holding mobile in my other hand and making a video. Now I have transplanted all my tomato plants. Tomatoes need a location that receives 6 to 8 hours sunlight. But in summer season, when it is extreme hot, protect your plant from hot sun. Tomato plant require regular watering. In summer season, tomato plant needs deep watering. Soil should remain moist. Water your plants 1 to 2 inches per week. After 30 days, you can see our plants are growing very well. Flowers are coming out. New leaves are coming out. Tomato plant needs support to grow well. So take some wooden sticks to support tomato plant. Now I am going to tell you that how can you prune your tomato plants. Prune lower tomato leaves and branches. Also pinch or prune yellow leaves to prevent disease and improve tomato plants' appearance because their lower leaves and branches drain energy away from the main stem. Pruning helps the plant to keep its energy focused on fruit production. If you don't prune, the plant will produce a large number of leaves and flowers which puts pressure on the plant and results in poor quality fruit and is difficult to support. But avoid too much pruning because leaves make food for the plant and convert the sunlight into energy. So if you remove too many leaves, then your plant will struggle and results in curling and yellowing leaves. It decreases the fruit production and stops plant growth. Soil should remain moist. Water your plants 1 to 2 inches per week. Now we will talk about fertilizer. Tomato plants require regular feeding to produce healthy fruits. They are considered heavy feeders. If you keep them consistently fertilizing, you can get juicy tomatoes all summer. Give liquid banana peel fertilizer weekly because banana peels are a rich source of calcium and magnesium which is essential for tomato plant. I have also made a video on banana peel fertilizer. You can watch that how can you make banana peel fertilizer. Take banana peel fertilizer and then dilute it and then give it to your plants. Give compost every other week to keep plants supplied with essential nutrients. I use kitchen waste to feed my tomato plants. Cut the peels of fruits and vegetables, then dig a hole near the base of the plant and bury your kitchen waste directly in the soil. It will work magically, and your plants would be healthy and produce a lot of fruits. And if you find the leaves of your plants curling up, then don't worry. I noticed last week that the leaves of my tomato plants are curling up. I knew this may be the cause of nutrients deficiency. So I fed them with kitchen waste and leaves started to uncurl gradually and went back to normal with more watering and fertilizing. Calcium and iron deficiency can cause younger leaves to turn yellow. The most common reason of curling leaves is environmental issue. Hot temperature can curl up the leaves of your tomato plant. Now you can see after applying fertilizer, the leaves are started to uncurl and they are getting fresh. More flowers are coming out and my tomato plants are getting fresh. To encourage a healthy root system, water infrequently but deeply rather than daily and lightly. Now I am going to use this fertilizer. I have made dry banana peel and dry eggshells. I have grind these two ingredients and then I will apply it to my tomato plants. Give 1 to 2 tablespoons of this fertilizer at the base of your plant. It will work 100%. It's a very best fertilizer for tomato plant. After 50 days, you can see the result of my hard work. Tomatoes are looking very good. Check the size of tomatoes. They are turning red. If you follow all these tips, then you can increase the production of fruits. I have planted sunflower plants with my tomato plants because sunflower attracts bees and butterflies, which helps in pollination of tomato flowers. Harvest tomatoes when they turn red and ripened. Now you can see these tomatoes are ready to harvest. They are turned red. Plants absorb nutrients through their roots along with water. Water carries nutrients to stem and leaves. So the soil should be moist, but don't overwater because overwatering can cause root destruction. The soil of tomato plants should remain moist. Now I will harvest these tomatoes. If you like my video, then give a thumbs up. And if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my new and upcoming videos. Now I will harvest these tomatoes. I am holding mobile in my one hand, and with my one hand I am harvesting. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.